is how you reset your service counter. This is for the non-TFT dash, 1290s, 1090s, 1190s. This won't work with the TFT dash. So what you do, turn your ignition on, and you hold up and down. But first you need to go to settings. Hold up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Now we got our service indicator. It's set to go up in mileage. I do my oil changes every 5,000 miles, so that's roughly 8,000 kilometers. Okay. I just leave month the same. Actually, no, I'll change it to, yeah, I'll just leave it the same. And then you back out. And your service counter is cleared. No dealership visit.